Welcome to maths class. Today's topic is rounding numbers. How to round the numbers, okay, nearest to tens. So rounding to the nearest tens, I will give you some examples, okay, so you will get the ideas of rounding to the. Suppose the numbers are there in between 1 to 10, 2 to 20, 30 to 40, okay, like that. So if number is in between 1 to 10, in between 1 to 10, see, there are 10 numbers, right? So nearest tens means the closer to tens, okay. So in between 1 and 10, or we say that 0 and 10, 5 is the middle term, 5 is the middle term, okay, means it is half of this 0 and 10. Okay, so distance between this and distance between this both are same. That's why it is the middle term. Okay, so the numbers which are 5 or greater than 5, the numbers which are 5 or greater than 5, these are nearest to 10. These are nearest to 10 or to the next number, next 10. We can say. And the numbers which are less than 5 means which numbers are there? There is 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So these are less than 5, so its nearest tens is 0. Its nearest tens is 0. It is about one digit number. If the numbers are in between 10 and 20, then which tens is closer? So here it is the middle term, it is 15. Okay, suppose the number is 12. The number is 12. Now tell me where it comes. It comes in between 10 and 15, right? 12 comes in 10 and 15. See, here 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, then 15, right? So it is nearer to this tens. Nearer to this tens. देखो यहाँ पे क्या होता है कि अगर जो नजदीक में है, जो टेंस नजदीक में है, listen carefully, tens, 10 and 20, these are the tens. Okay, this is one ten, this is two tens, right? तो जो टेंस नजदीक है वो उसका nearest tens रहेगा. Okay, so here 12, the nearest tens of 12 is 10. And if the example is suppose 18 is there, so 18 is nearest to 20. See, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So number 18 is nearer to 20. So nearest tens of 18 is 20. Right? We take some more example. Suppose here it is 0, 10, 20, 30. Okay, so middle terms are 5, 15, 25. Here it is 35. Okay, so now draw the Now suppose the number is 26. The number is 26, and we have to find out the nearest tens of 26. So where 26 comes? It comes after 25. It comes after 25. Suppose here it is at 26. Okay. So it is closer to 30. Right? It is closer to 30. So answer is nearest tens of 26 is 30. Nearest tens of 26 is 30. Got it? So this 26 will be rolled to the 30. That's why it is closer to 30. Okay, so the tens of nearest tens of 26 is also 30. Suppose the number will be 30. Then where it comes? It comes in between 10 and 15. It comes in between 10 and 15. So sub 13 is here. So it roll on to nearest tens. Right? So nearest tens of 13 is. Got it? Some more example we will take here. So we have to find out the nearest tens of 14, 16, 75, 26. Okay. So nearest tens of 14. See here we have to see only one place. If one place is less than 5, if one's place is less than 5, then this tens will become. Okay. See here it is less than 5 means it is its nearest tens is 10. And if the ones जो unit place का number है, if it is greater than 5 or 5, then the tens will be the next tens. Means here it is 10, so it is 20. Here it is 5, here it is 70, so next tens is 80. Here it is 6, it is greater than 5, so here it is 20, 26 is there, right? Already tens are there, so 26, so it is bigger than 5, so here we will get next tens which is एक shortcut है थोड़े से, okay? Some more example we take here. Suppose 24 is there. So here at a ones place it is less than 5. So we kept this tens as it is. So 20 is the nearest tens. Okay. Our next topic is even and odd numbers. So even number means what or odd numbers means what? So the numbers that can be put into pairs. Okay. Pairs means suppose these two pieces are there, it is one pair. Pair of shoes, okay, pair of shoes, pair of slippers, pair of spectacles, right? So pair, in pair means two are there, okay. So the numbers that can be put into pairs, it is called even numbers. So even number means that can be put into pairs. Okay, and odd number means that we cannot put into the pairs. Okay, so even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. Okay, and odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. One more thing is here, that all the even numbers is having at unit place or ones place, even number is having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 at their ones place or unit place. Means उसके unit place पे कौन सा number रहेगा? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. It is the even number. And odd number means what? The numbers which is having 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 at their ones place. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay? So even number means the numbers which is having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, or we can keep it into the pairs. Okay? It is called even numbers. इस दो के पेयर हम बना सकते हैं, ठीक है? वो फिर कितने भी बना सकते हैं, 2 का टेबल बहुत लंबा चलेगा उसमें, right? So 2's table we can make, it is even numbers. या फिर हम ऐसे भी बोल सकते हैं कि the numbers which is divisible by 2, जो 2 से डिवाइड होगा तो वो भी नंबर इवन रहता है. Okay, and in the odd at unit place, ones place पे 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 ये अगर नंबर्स आते हैं then it is a odd number. Okay, so take some examples. This is 235. ये इवन है या ऑड है, हाउ टू डिफाइन इट इज इवन और ऑड, आप बताओ। यस, it is odd. Why? Because at the ones place there is a 5. See, I write here for even and odd. So for even there will be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and for odd there is a 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay. So 235 is there. 5 is in the place of odd numbers. So this is the odd number. Suppose the number is 426. Now it is even or odd? Yes, it is even. Why? Because if we check the numbers even, there is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 at unit place. So 6 is there at unit place there. Therefore it is even. Got it? One more example. Now this is code digit number 2378. Okay. So here we check that at ones place 8 is there. It is in which place? Even or odd place? So here it is even place. Okay. So it is in the even place 8. So it is even. मीन्स कोई भी कितना भी बड़ा अगर नंबर रहता है तभी भी आप उसको इजीली क्या कर सकते हो, समझ सकते हो कि ये इवन है या ऑड है। ओके, सो नंबर इज 4000। इज दिस इवन और ऑड? यस, देयर इज a 0 at one's place, so it is even. Got it? Next topic is ordinals. Where we use ordinal numbers, we use ordinal numbers for match their position, right? For match the position of any student where it is standing on the place, right? First is there, second is there, or third is there. Okay, he is at the third place or first place or second place. It is ordinal. Means suppose he is at first place, यानी सबसे पहले शुरुआत में अगर खड़ा है कोई स्टूडेंट, then it is the first place. Second place यानी दूसरे स्थान पे खड़ा है, right? So ordinals means first स्टर लगता है यहाँ पे, first. Okay, spelling is FIRST, first. Then there is a second. Okay, 2 पे end आएगा, second. Then third रुड़ा है ना, third. fourth, fifth, then sixth, then seventh, then eighth, then ninth, and 10th. Okay, so these are the ordinal numbers. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th. Okay, so after 10 there will be 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th. Okay, so third is always there. So only these are the children, first, second, and third. Okay, and after that all is having third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, tenth. एक बात आपको ध्यान में रखना है कि कभी भी ऑर्डिनल्स जो है, जो रोमन न्यूमरल्स रहते हैं, इनके ऊपर ऑर्डिनल्स नहीं आता है, ऐसा नहीं आएगा। ठीक है, रोमन नंबर्स में नहीं आएगा, ओनली यू हैव टू राइट इन न्यूमरल। दैट इज फर्स्ट, सेकंड, third, fourth and so on. Okay, so here our first lesson is completed.